Perfect. Perfect.
It's just going to be a quick episode tonight. Bought this scooter off Jake for $100 to bring out to Luke's to keep up with the 900 and the postie bike that's over there behind a myriad of other cars. As you can see, we've already modified it very tastefully, including the speedometer. What a maximum. This beast is built to carry everything. We've got the speaker there, we've got some beer there. This is practically an esky. I mean, what more could you want? It even has headlights. Look at the speed this thing just exudes. Can't wait to go ripping on it. We're on the farm, baby. Hey, it ain't 88, but it'll do. Oh, Luke, taking part in your own trick, mate.
Works every time.
Even on $100 fucking scooters, bro. Just stick it in flame. God, that's a good looking colour. It's almost like the Fury Garage logo colour. But add some blue to ours. That's fucking gorgeous. More oil than fuel, it seems. 5 hours of wrenching. Let's see what happens. Oh! Oh, God. Yes.
What happened here?
Thanks.